Working together with Emily at Community First Oxfordshire on the Supporting Communities Through COVID-19 Fund has been a really brilliant experience for OCVA. We've been able to distribute funds from the grant flexibly, quickly, and most importantly it came with a year-long programme of support and advice with Lisa.
It has been a really fantastic year, and thanks to the County Council for handing to the sector to make decisions on where the money is best to go.
We used our grant to enhance the work that we do within our community larder and expand on the services that we could offer. One of the main things that we were able to do with the funding was provide emergency packages for some of our residents who were having to shield or isolate. As much as we didn't just send along boxes of groceries, we made sure that we included items such as household cleaning products and toiletries. So from the community of Barton, I would like to say thanks very much indeed to the funders, because this has totally impacted in a positive way on what we've been able to do within our community.
Here at Getting Oxfordshire Online, we're hugely grateful to Community First and OCVA for the funding which has helped us bring on Bicester Green as our third hub, serving the north of the county. And it's been wonderful to see how we've been able to scale and reach more people in need of devices. We work through community local groups to support the people in need, and whether it's schools working with children who've been unable to access education, those supporting job seekers to build their skills and confidence to get back into the job market, or for example refugees arriving in this country. There are so many ways that these devices have been able to make a difference and help people improve their lives by getting online. So thank you very much.
So the funding allowed Volunteer Link Up to continue offer services during a really difficult time. As COVID kind of came to an end or ebbed and flowed, people were going back to work, people's networks were reducing and they weren't getting the same level of support. The staff at VLU were able to mobilise our volunteers and get them to continue to offer community transport, befriending and help with practical tasks like gardening. The grant also allowed us to continue to support the Good Neighbour schemes when they were also navigating a difficult time. A number of them had been dormant for a period, and we helped them navigate getting back up and running and supporting their volunteers.
Hi, I'm Rosemary. I'm Carol, and we're both with Killington Strollers, which is a short walking group, and we use this wonderful playing field.
What does Killington Strollers provide?
Well, short walks really, gently, so that people who don't walk very often or have mobility problems, they can get out in this lovely field and do a bit of exercise.
Yes, and the grant, what did you use it for?
That was a great help to us actually, because it enabled me to extend the social time so that people could sit and have a chat. They could enjoy a cup of tea or a drink of water and a bit of food.
Hi, I'm Keith. I manage volunteer driver service. Your funding's managed to get us some new journey software. We've got some new laptops. There's also some software that enables drivers to be able to sign documents electronically, and some PPE storage as well. What's that resulted in? We're doing absolutely record months every month, and we're increasing our service all the time. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.
This funding helped Home Start support over 700 families with more than 1,000 children across Oxfordshire last year. We've helped the wider Early Years voluntary sector too by providing peer support through the Early Years network that we co-founded with the charity Viva. Funding has meant we could offer more groups and community outreach to connect with those families hardest hit by the pandemic. Many have felt trapped inside due to barriers like anxiety and disability, even after restrictions eased. Home Start sessions have helped them make vital connections and access opportunities for play, because childhood can't wait.